National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Pocahontas County in central Iowa, eastern Calhoun County in central Iowa, Humboldt County in central Iowa, Webster County in central Iowa, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from just east of Hadlock to Jolly to 6 miles north of Lake City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gilmore City, Manson, and Lorville around 7:30 p.m. Fort Dodge, Humboldt, and Gowrie around 7:50 p.m. Lehigh and Duncombe around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Callender, Farnhamville, Badger, Pomeroy, Dakota City, and Cooville.